Hello and welcome back. The first thing that we're going to do is that we're going to create a directory which is going to be called Jenkins. You can create it whatever you want. In this case, the path is /home Jenkins and Jenkins. As you can see here, I just created a directory here. If I do an ls, here is the directory, and the full path for that directory is the current directory plus this path. So let me just rename this directory because you may be confused. So let's rename it, and we're going to call it Jenkins data, for example. So the full path for Jenkins data is going to be ls home Jenkins and Jenkins data. Perfect. This directory is empty, as you can see, because we haven't created anything, but we're going to create things. Okay, we created the directory. Now we're going to move into that directory. We don't have anything here, but we're going to create a sample Docker compose file. So we type vi docker compose.yaml. This is important. This name is pretty important, so please keep it like this. And vi is a text editor for Linux. So we're gonna hit enter, and then we're going to start typing the Docker compose file. Before doing this, a Docker compose file is like a script. It's a definition. So here we're going to define which services we want to spin. So in this case, for now, we want to spin a Jenkins server. So we're going to start with this file. So we say version 3. That's the current version of Docker compose, don't worry. And now we say services. So in services, we're going to define our Jenkins server. And this Jenkins server will have some properties. So we can define the container name, and we're going to call it Jenkins. Simple. Now we're going to define the image. So we say image, and then the name that is going to go here is the name that we downloaded in the previous video. So we type Docker image, and here we have the name. So we're gonna copy this name. We're gonna open up again our Docker compose file,